Just another morning rain in the garden. You know it rains here every day. Hello, my name is Harmony, Earth 555, reporting for Beauty Duty. It's just another beautiful day in the garden. It's about 8 a.m. Got some rose incense burning. And we have some wonderful, oh goodness, chamomile, peppermint, lavender, and rosemary. There's some rosemary in there. Yep, cheers. The sun's coming out though. There's the sun. And there's the rain. I send you guys love and light, but don't ever forget, showers come and wipe away the darkness. Have a beautiful day.